With all the chaos of coronavirus and the stories of people hoarding food, we thought it'd be lovely to reach out and do something positive in the community. Wallara's horticulture program has had a bumper crop of seasonal produce, and we're really excited to take it to an aged care facility. Wallara has a long history with wintering ham, and we wanted to show our appreciation for all the amazing things they do in the community. Just want to put the wheelbarrow here. That's it. Lovely big bee on there. Hope he doesn't get me.
It's pretty cool what we're growing at Wallara is helping out other people.
We've just delivered enough fresh produce to make some pumpkin soup for all of the residents, some beautiful salads and some lovely flowers for all the tables. How does it feel, Damien?
Good. Mission accomplished.